Augusta Precious Metals versus Advanta IRA. Which retirement investment is better? So, when planning for retirement, choosing between these two can make a big difference in how your wealth grows and how secure it feels. Now, these two no names stand out: Augusta Precious Metals and Advanta IRA. Now, these both help investors take control of their retirement funds, but they focus on different goals. One prioritizes long term stability through gold and silver, while the other gives you full freedom to invest across multiple asset classes. Now, I'm going to go ahead and break these down side by side to see which one might be the better fit for you. So now the first one here is Augusta Precious Metals. Now they specialize in gold and silver IRAs with a strong focus on education, transparency, and lifetime support. Their process is hands-on. Every client works with a personal specialist who explains the ins and outs of setting up precious metal IRAs. Augusta's standout features is its commitment to long-term trust, offering clear pricing and secure storage through trusted depositories. Now, there are no hidden fees, and the company has built its reputation around helping investors understand what they're buying before they commit. Now, while the minimum investment is around 50,000, is higher than most. Augusta positions itself as a premium choice for serious stability-focused investors, while Advanta IRA is a self-directed IRA provider. Now, this is giving you total control over how your retirement money is invested. Instead of focusing solely on precious metals, Advanta allows investment in real estate, private equity, crypto, precious metals, and more. You're in charge of choosing where your funds go, making it ideal for experienced investors who want to diversify beyond traditional assets. However, with greater control comes more responsibility. Advanta's platform requires a solid understanding of IRS rules to stay compliant, and it doesn't provide investment advice, just a structure to help you manage your IRAs. It's a flexible system for confident investors who want more options than a typical IRA provides. Now, in a quick summary, Augusta Precious Metals provides a guided education path to owning physical gold and silver inside your IRA. Advanta IRA gives you full freedom to invest in almost anything from metals to real estate with self-directed control. Augusta is perfect if you want simplicity, transparency, and security. Advanta is ideal if you want independence, flexibility, and broader asset options. Now choose Augusta Precious Metal if you value long-term security, transparency, and expert help managing your precious metals IRA, or go with Advanta IRA if you're confident managing your own investments and want a flexible, hands-on approach to building your retirement portfolio. Now, both companies can strengthen your retirement. The key difference is whether you want guided stability or total investment freedom.